Hi, and welcome to your meditation time. This meditation is to help you to get into the state of feeling more secure, more loved, and to feel that you are free. So just get comfortable wherever you feel to, and just close down the lids of your eyes and just disconnect from the outside world. Now, I'd like you to just come on this journey with me to raise your good feeling or to raise your not so good feeling to a higher place where you feel a bit better at the end of the meditation than perhaps now at the beginning. I want you to just think about how you would move through the world if you felt more secure. What things would you be doing? How would you be doing them? And how would you move with more airs and graces of confidence? I am secure and confident. I am secure and confident. I am secure and confident. I love feeling secure and loved. I love feeling secure and loved. I love feeling secure and loved. I love feeling that I am first best. I love feeling that I am first best. I am truly lovable. I am truly lovable. I am truly lovable. I am truly lovable. I enjoy feeling good enough. I enjoy feeling good enough. I enjoy feeling good enough. I am good enough. I am good enough. I am good enough. I am enough. I am enough. I am enough. I love who I am. I love who I am. I love who I am. As I improve my mental diet and I improve the thoughts I have about myself, and as I improve my feeling of self-assuredness, feeling more adequate, feeling that I am enough, and feeling that I am a lovable being, I start to see the external world and my experiences reflecting that back to me. Now, I'm going to repeat, I am grateful 10 times, and you will fill in the blank. I am grateful for. 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 And just take a nice, long, deep breath in for 4. And hold for 7. And exhale for 8. And one more time, breathe in for 4 and hold for 7 and exhale for 8. Now, just bring your attention to a real surrendering and letting go of any tension you can feel in your body. And we are going to repeat the affirmation, I am free. 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 And just for a moment, think of all those things that you would love to be free of. People, places, things, jobs. What is it that you would love to be free from? So I'd like you to just imagine a beautiful turquoise enamel box. It's got a lid with a little chrome handle. And I'd like you to open that box. And whatever came to mind that you feel you would like to be free from, I'd like you to just put those things into the enamel box, one at a time, whether you see each thing written on a piece of paper or whether you physically put those things in, perhaps shrunken down in size. And then put the lid on the box and know that these things are going to be taken care of by Source, God, infinite intelligence, or the universe, whatever word is your preference. So feel the surrender in your body and feel the exhale of letting go. And let's do one more round of the breathing. Breathing in for 4. And hold for 7. And exhale for 8. Now, for today, that is enough. And know you can come back to this meditation anytime you choose. I would like to thank Carolina, Eleanor, and Sawan for requesting this meditation. Lots of love and happy manifesting.